There be top and a top on corner share.
How I cow down.
Nyanya, but say, no, I'm the pilot. I'm the pilot. Why? Don't worry. Why has Uncle fear? You near Company and money to fear. Now, mammy, a bon come say, and I got the assistant Piaba, and I first born. They wash a table, turning table, I say. A bad day, and I at a hall. Now, I say, somebody you say, that is how. I was saying, you fear anytime, any day, every minute. And this, you get it by grace. And not from waffle. And not permanent waffle. But what do you Emenya Mina Jamania Mia? Or Masania Maway, see Emania Kama. And to cook when near. Was the AM's near, cook when near, AM's near, cook when near, AM's near, sharp. That's my lovely daughter. What was that? And social tomb now, oh, jump up, we are sharpness matter. It's just beautiful. And I cook her.
Mama, I Adom be.
Nice. Now, me wa lovely woman be her. Mammy, way, 1 4 Odom AHOMASO near grow crack. Edu Friday say and you may 11 sharp not home. Now wait in the last 2 weeks and 3 weeks. About your microphone. What is it 2 weeks or 3 weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks ago. Now more Adom TV. Now you can't don't want some young and activity for line see. Now mammy a friend. Now me say Obian friend on chame. A queen Nico I said my idea never see a do. A dear Betty saying mom when you the 5 months when the fruit. Now I say, Nico fear Jumaba. Sister, can I some? Twasu, mammy. Twasu, mammy.
Oh, fear Jumaba and it's what's near your ODO AHOMASO. And to what I saw about him for no more discuss to say about a baby cell on you know, no Swiss and Nikuno and in a better.
That's right.
Yeah, and I'm looking back also. Let's try this. I'm okay. No, dear, or did I tell you to have a seal of what's not so? Ben welcome.
What position no? Nico tree sent a coffee table, say center table, was side table, and on tree or not see a conyanum. Now I jagan home. Now, Patron, I wouldn't want to boom when I say, no, she 90 be. You're rapping be. Me Patron Casadin Cacra. Jesus is Lord. Sister, now a day, a higher day, a higher mre, now a day, not mammy, a higher day, a higher mre. I am activated for mammy frey.
Now, how many months?
5 months.
5 months.
Now, mush you away.
I just hope I also let's try this. It's okay.
Let me see, which is Obia try. Now, Brandon Fanyania.
Oh, it was nice. That even
Jesus, but in a position, when you be there.
No.
You haven't done it before, so you did enjoy that. Jesus, now I come up. Not me be at 24 now, you are lucky. And I say, sir, we just saw you in 5 months. I said, aye, and there's Jehovah, sister, Jehovah Crani, we are saying. Now, I say.
Oh,
it's not what you say.
Is it not mean to make one cassa? Me to be never watch.
Ain't not what I am crying me. Ajay. Me pacho wate. Anya me sa. Ye mama sa. Nenia Japa. In fact, I promised that she should come around. Na me man GTP. Yes, I brought GTP. Wow. My man GTP. I'm going to give her GTP. And say, no, what television? So I say, and Kawamra, but I am say, now Otwaso. And later, no friend, so, and the announcer, we were radio. Odom AHOMASO ani ebedie. And the end of one run, one magic. And that's why I said the white come on. Won't say, yes, we are sexier. Sister, sorry, Kakra. A cook, one piano, Kunyan, Boko, piano, money, that's why. Nako Chica Kramame. She obey him. We are not tired, you know. Are you decent? I mean, are you very decent? Yes, it will try Kakra. Boko, Chaho round, 360, Boko, you are, I tune you. Yeah, mammy, dada ho.
Akuma we wan kasa onyema ya hu.
Ayo. She said oh lovely. Oh, you are too lovely. Me pa shot na mami.
She's pretty.
Very pretty. Maybe I chop a microphone with you. So pretty. She's so pretty. Now, but your first name, day. Mamia. Mama, hey.
I'm just a friend, babe.
Who confess for saying? Bay. Bay. And so, come base, I know what the heck.
Oh, smart to say yes.
Okay, in fact, anyway, a discussion, no. Yeah, oh, and then, no, Charlie, and you bet you knew. And you bet you knew Bailey's viewer. Where the mansa? Beji, Passamano, Bay, Passamano. Passamano, na. Yeah. But oh, transit, now, relax. When you caps, no. Let's see, Hona. Yeah, and then check my crack. And then if I check, my crack. If I show Ujiti pinning, Tassi.
Wow.
Ujiti pinning.
I tell for Mombra Facebook and Mombra Facebook says, yeah, I don't see.
Never. Who the man is your hand?
Mombra Facebook na Momba Akuma Tumane Fe. Wow, GTP. Oh, nice.
GTP new style, no.
Wow.
GTP new style, no. And one, and then
Mombra Facebook.
And then so come on.
Wow.
I think so, no. If I say, oh, na an African union back when we here. Hey, maybe you're careful. In fact, relax, sit down. Yes, you money down. You can repeat and call, and you can rewind the track and play it again.
Mama Zimbi, wutum bomenyoma akuma wa sol oye mremremrem.
Oh baby, me baby sa wasembi, red on my boy for me oh. I tell me
honey. If you want to yes, me do. Emmanuel Casa, this is the first time. Now, me do not Casa, baby. This should be the last time, man. Come on. Once again, we are in our crowd, baby. This is your show you love, and the name is Akuma Mama Zimbi. I have renowned resource persons here. Romeo is here, and I give us my man. I come, my man is why I come, and how about the man some Baileys. Na mesama aye Romeo Hampawe.
Wow.
Aye mama ya enya ni GTP. Na me be ma Hampawe free naturally products.
Wow.
Hand sanitizer wo mo oil wo mo a ye betimi dia massage wo who was special soap any ade wo mo me ba so what you say enti wo me de ma ade e fesi wo nche wo ho but you can open it and see the kind of things. Don't worry, take it.
Wow. I mean, find Chrom. Camera no.
Why? Oh, sharp.
Romeo DNA.
Romeo DNA.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Romeo DNA. Romeo DNA, papa. Yo. And this is for. This is for Kukwa.
Wow.
Hi, Kukwa. Hi, Kukwa.
Akuma, you're romantic.
This is lovely.
Wow.
This is for you.
Wow.
Huh?
Mommy, this is lovely.
Yeah.
This is for you. You love it?
I love it.
Akuma, what do you find camera no be on
Oh, it's a camera no more. They are saying it.
Wow.
This for Kukua.
You watching how you be your wife and any beji papa.
And to be a person you be bia. I am from me. I was 024 for your legs. The month of love. We are selling it. So this is you.
Yakuma do it maybe.
Now and this is a special cup for you. It is dark. But when you buy lone hotter, the pictures on the pillows will come on the cup. Hi Kukua. You see, if you're a daughter and you listen to mommy, you get things nicely, right? Love you.
Love you too, mommy.
So beautiful. And you know when you know idea, am I fear a day? Oh, it's me ma fear. Am I fear day romantic? Now imagine say, who going to come back? But no, I will be neda bed so. Oh, it's lovely. You're loving it.
Oh, this is nice. This is so nice.
Auntie, I just want all of you to relax. Now, say, what's the need you? And they about discuss it. Now, Mamma, who so call? Okay, but answer now by corner. Over say a quan, they ever discuss say a company ever so. Now, you can't advance there. Your bed is so simple. And a camera. You didn't say such an in your pet. Every betcha assassin, every betcha dime, every betcha car, every betcha gold, every betcha diamond, every me a cabin moon in Dubai. You know, I've been walking my say, yeah, go for your hair. I mean, what you can do. Demon, you do the things that you can. And tears mamma, ne kwa papa. Obeja and wakono. My acquaint before, so stop calling my line. I come home. I come home, munya salino. Munya de moye no. I fancy it's going to be a very romantic cake. Our crossover from Cake Afrique. And then you be do her. Cake Afrique the and cake, you know. Brian. Cecilia yet me dinner come. Until we're looking at ways and means that we will enjoy the vast day, the month of love. So simple. Now affect is so unquala with fear. Woman sono bibia be kama. It's mommy, what are some of the things that you can use? That's right. Casadinka cry.
The Martin said, they all don't sem.
The Martin, and I said, you name. That's right.
Said they all don't sem. Yeah. Me only say, and ya di Cassia Bebri. I was so your man of Bruce, no one obey ma when the Aji. On Benya and Jaka crow, and no so yet, near the one so. Missy said, Chanya may adma, minimum Lucia. I take a crave a may and Yaji.
And then Abbey.
What's not there? Name aduma. Mikuno, where Johnny or Pemea Mano.
It had been up. I mean,
no pay for Funa Banquai.
About Funa Banquai.
But joy.
Now, said I obey me over Funo.
Oh, yeah, may.
About
joy.
A banquan and Nambena would be. Oh,
made a fish, dry one pa, and a bay. Namaruka, a Welika Crabia one.
And a day, Mammy, recipe, what can I bet no ho. And see, near ma would pay and
made the dry fish, and I'm now going to a drink a crack. Mania way will lick a crack. Namadia one. They say, Mania and work it to a bee. They are sure, and just say, my young quine.
Oh, I am quine. Oh, my goodness.
Mania dear be a bruise, but a dear Beba made with you and Yaje.
Wow, a bit lovely, oh, a bit lovely. On sa wunyem, we are neat, we are smart. When you the ho, is it when you say Dick Kenny?
If I show David, they're tossed Ted.
They're tossed,
Ted, me and sir.
Hey, what's the look across what? Hey, sister. Hey,
we are fair.
I know there be oh, do sister. Babe. It's no cool for baby. Hey, so baby.
Yeah.
Oh, baby, no. Wow, it is powerful. I love it. I like it. Okay, and then I catch Abia one more comment to me. Oh, say if Misaka be say the fingers are not equal. And see, near Nick when you're here, Manila, you're here, man, no, and then on ye.
Made the moon is a certain yape.
That's right.
Did the Ukunya be mawa, do dip a mound so musa. Simple when ye be a maumpa, a mount boomful. So was a repair. Baby swept a baby on sombre. Baby among.
That's right.
Yeah, before the vegetable so one tower babusian was said Jenny or dog Busumena. So can you be a man and just say when you're on no and I say on any part, but on young Kobe and some more than any. Timacachemian says a banner, more money, how baby.
Now, be brown. May some a mount calendar. The year 20. Where am I sorry calendar? Prophet Pega, Breaking the Yoke Ministry International. All right? It's in my mama for. Who call now your dophobia? Now on so their channel. Why? Okay. Now on so wait to me. Eddie Mano. Ain't you know me how be brave. Who cry wa pa auntie good. Pacho. Yamisha. Yo. Bye bye. Quick, Romeo, I have to change your position again. And see, I'm Babasha.
Okay.
Babasha, mammy. Yo.
Good.
Kukwa fafa, oh, pillow, me fancy, or machiana, machinia fe. See, me the bahaka cry, a caramaso, me the menimaba. And see, African, is it okay? Are okay? Sharp. And you can my son down. No, Romeo, and was over shame fin. Now at near come on. Debbie, you got to be here because me oba. Ah, now Romeo, lie ben or no. A cook maintenance is down. Me banjo Bianco Facebook, I'm here cook mammy. I told this. Do you model at all? Who model? Me where's your modeling? Me where's your modeling? Because you have the legs, you got the figure. I didn't make kind. Romeo describing a kaka. She's got my men so the moon.
Ni shape, that be said me here. Ni shape really nice. And the nasty effect. And then the high.
That's right.
And the back as of no see a come up.
Oh wow.
Come up. Shape womb.
Shape womb.
This is so you get to work a craft.
Aye, emuda ho.
And then this is to dread them.
Aye.
And some will be straight. Na nimuti. The color so you and your mom masters.
They be the way natural. Natural.
The lips is here fair.
Oh.
But they are craft as well.
Gloss. Or the gloss na faso. I'm an eye come. And you cook chat system we are there. Take it easy. Wow. That's my baby. You can take a sit now.
My boy can we have your number?
Oh, and yeah, dear Bessie. Share. Now, me baba powder Nico. And then can we have your number? I grow. And then can we have your number? I grow. Okay, and don't you know? Yeah, but what so? When him say we are somehow. A bit woman sworn them pa. O can say man fan co or smith your benny. Man fan to us somebody at two. No mamma say day. And mamma dear and don't you know? You're muti for. I almost say. You were muti for free contraceptive counseling this Valentine Day. And it's in short my way to a mommy. 0558 134375. 0558 134375. Now you're more Kenny. I'll say it's the morning after Valentine's Day. Accidents do happen. Do not panic when they do. Consult a health professional after an unplanned, unprotected sex. Call Multi for a free contraceptive counseling this Valentine. So you dial the number I just called. 0558 13 43 75. I would also assume the American in I won't hear. Now you want to do it, dear. This is what you got to do. Muti are there for you. But you can stay from accident free. My year after year, I'm an aya kama. Oh, okay. Hi, baby. How are you? Where's my cake? Where's my cake? Okay. Okay. May I say? May I say? Okay. Lovely. Thank you. You are. I put you on air. As I'm speaking to you, your voice is on air. So, yo, me, mama. Hello.
Hello, baby.
La one. Okay. Yo, I'll see you later. All right, lovely. Yeah, Gusu, I was so say, come on. All right, and multi free counseling on contraceptives. And the I can say abortion is not good. If you abort, you have killed. But we are careful. All these things you won't think about it. And I Romeo. You don't think about them all. Okay.
There are some I like concept.
Yes, I love it too.
So this one is better than abortion.
Me that say. You see, motive macho. Nanka was said that one more ODO AHOMASO. Now I'll try to invite them to come and actually break it down to booze. Now Obia we are still on the celebration ODO AHOMASO Vals Day, Chocolate Day. Now Bibia I come and until you go so maybe I come. Oh, lovely. Okay. Me dane me so manim kakra. I don't know. You better take this. I'm fine. Me and share Facebook for na. I feel you so. You better say dear. Your friend is saying. Okay, you ready and go for car. Also, wow, Mama, you are wonderful, good. God bless you. You looking good this evening. May I say, Papa, beautiful woman. Okay. Hey, someone have written the comments without their names. Oh wow! I'll say goodness and mercy, Mama Zimbi. God bless. I'll say Akuma, you do all good for your guest. Shall yes, is super for you. Wow! I'm just loving this African. And prosper. I'll say, Mommy, are you leaving us like that? Eric says, Mommy, I love that. Okay. Ekua Adipa says, I'm back in watching you live from mid-year. Okay. Mark says, hey, Evelyn, don't sleep. Oh, Yati. Nana Kofi say, Mama Zimbi, cheer up. Me that say. Kofi says, good one there. Nana Yao says, lovely, Mommy. You are looking good. Daniel Facha says, good job, Mommy. We will always love you. Isaac Ajay say, I like you so much. I also like and love you. What I tell you, you have to like the person before the love can come. Anna,
Mama, in a before you love someone, or the edonympano, a penimpanasum, and sana we move from no ako Odo. Hey,
many AMZ ampo. That's right.
Always likeness never before love.
Okay.
So
that is powerful. Okay. Frederick Yao Arthur say happy birthday to my love wife Benis Pokuya in Kasua of Anko, Queen City from Frederick. Hey, and Mr. and Mrs. Omutier. Okay. Isaac say, I'm Isaac. Mom, you looking sexy. Mwah. Me that say. You see, Muhammad say, you have you broke up with your partner and you still need erade. Malamfono. Chale, block. You see, mommy. Block, you see, Muhammad, mommy. Derek, as someone says, I'm Derek, as someone from Konongo. I'm watching you live. Good work done. Malamfono. Yeah, erade. Ebenezer says, Mom, please. I'm Pastor Eben watching you from Dodoa. Oh, so for you know, hey, aren't we blessed?
You're blessed.
Ebenezer. Okay, Pastor Eben, no. Senior Opoku Kofi says, I'm senior OP. Senior OP watching you from Kumasi, Apedu, Anna. Hey, okay, Kumasi. I really love you, Mommy. May I say, Papa. Godfred Kwabda says, whoa, good work done. God bless you, Mommy. I'm watching you from Spain and we like your show. To Spain for Shamunina Ewaha. Watching you live from Liberia. Good job, keep it up. Derry Zeal, Midase. Benjamin says, I'm watching you live from Aflau Volta region. Wow. Bismarck Amankwa says happy Val's Day to all my lovely friends. Okay, I hope they are all watching us here. Kofi Emmanuel say, me and my wife are watching. You shall mention your lovely wife name, Bra Kofi. Then now we know. Young King says, hello Mama Zimbi. I just love you so much and I love you more. Highlander say, good work Mama, watching you from Medina. With more and more. And to now tell us how Obama Vaz Day, no, I nice without having stress. When him say I do occasions like this, Ebinum Boka.
Of course. A cow.
I didn't say Eka.
Yeah. So when him say Yanchia T4.
Okay.
Yanchia her phone so.
All right.
Say we are said the Viana Meka say any man you know but majority of ma a drew occasion say ya I free say bia I was say take advantage no mudinya e mema yomo sabio your ma bi wo hakuma ade to wo ani na wo ka kire so ade ato mani ko jama ye kura expect say wona be man lorry fair
me ba just say
oba your ma bi wo
e ma bi no mo
say ade to wani obusuani bi wu now we invite me so me de she bia wuti ko jama ye a wo a obi wo busuani ewu no wona be sa man lorry fair nyame ambo akura na be sa to atade black kura man a sha akodi wachi.
Oh, sir.
Yes, I don't know why. And Uncle Dan chain. Who do birthday? Who be man who do birthday? No. Oba no expect say oh be obisa na me birthday gift. When I say oh be man who do birthday no. Channel birthday gift.
Who do birthday no. Obesa o san cha ono ade.
Yes. And sana oba no so di ni birthday no san busa say ni birthday gift wo he. You see?
Na double salance sound.
Say ye bibia ye and they say me to me baby Mohana will be afraid Mohana be send message na Valentine how far away me dey. Em say na Valentine what you say saying. Bibia pese mu ye. Eti e mani ye pa.
E mani be.
I do na.
Na Valentine cry no. You're breaking it down.
Okay.
Simple meaning of Valentine. I just say Saint Valentine we've heard, but yeah they buy a locality any idea no. Yes celebrating Val's Day say.
Ma, me tiefo nyina.
And Ashafon so. That's right.
Valentine for me it's a way of showing love.
Okay.
I'm a adofa or bear. Your husband, boyfriend, mom, dad, uncle, siblings, kids, and all. And you know, Valentine is love.
Now can I say, Unia? What you actually about? Nian oh, and so what you say? Me share minya ba bibi birthday. Okay, okay, my name breaking over here, not you. Okay, I'll call you.
Mama, even it's time I did love ODO. Sorry. It's a time to celebrate love to our loved ones. So it could be anybody, but Amade to me, you know, Valentine doesn't mean there or there is penny baby, another day anything extraordinary.
Okay,
it's a moment of celebrating love. It can come in any form of way, gift, even verbally. Oh, happy Val's Day. Text message, happy Val's Day is a way of appreciating, showing love to the person you are telling.
That's right.
You're telling. So if you're unable to buy anything or show anything, it doesn't really matter. It's just a moment. Say something sweet. Say something from your heart. Tell the person how you feel about them at that moment. If you're not able to get any gifts, anything, maybe your room, if you're married, with them, you change something. You buy candles or something. You change the bed sheets. You change the curtains or something. So when your husband comes around,
something simple. And no, I TV. So no, yeah, tea. ye Milo. Na imagine say breakfast na cup see na isi woni na black. Na ye do hot water na egum. Na I started changing. Is this not love?
It's love.
Na cup no change.
Na cup no changing. Some my mama where ni be where no. Once they dark no. And it's a hot water koguma. Once na cup na started changing na pictures no. The one on the pillows no. Na I started. Oh, na eba. Oh, na eba. Into Romeo, you need this.
I need it.
What's it?
Let's demonstrate for the viewers.
Let's demonstrate. Go and bring hot water. Okay, about this demonstrating. Now viewers, no. I said they make no.
That's a good idea.
Okay, and you know Romeo. Okay, this is what Kukua said.
Alright. The entire maker say enuane of asem nka won say. Valentine no na se kire ni nyina ne say titibre mu no. Na ohene say obane aware because asojafo no omo ware a na attitude a omo show no na nyenti we say obane. Na owura bi a fence in Valentine.
That's right.
Ohun say no na dey na oye body no be fire wo. Ko ye secret marriage on chain. Ene e chi no ne do no ko to afiase. Afiase wo no commander no ne baba e no fall for. Iti da omo ko bua no kum for no. E na ode flower anyway rose e ko che akwala no ansa na
yekunu.
Iti ohe scenario na ohe baby everybody and ofase ni nuanu mo mai e odo obema ne oba odo wono oyire ana wono girlfriend anti no
e na mbetimi edi ne pa
mbetimi edi ne pa wono ma me kwantimi ni na Valentine odo ase odo na ye kan we nya platonic one we amorous love.
Okay, amorous love is there, but it is beautiful.
Yes.
Efe se obestene odo no amame se abaten bi ti mewo.
Yes.
Na wakwa ako say ye funu no ana otimi ko wo no de akoto ball so go samaitan bi anko ho a obeda ho ama enkra ne ayo no afi atiasifo asase so. All right.
Yes.
Okay, and you know, yeah, pick up the cap no for so ningum whilst is okay into or the begum with the yanko so or the you do it it's a sign yeah the better obey. He's on camera. And he say edu vaze. Now what the baby echa o mame and now we nu bia enye bad. Romeo.
Yes.
My dream na. Yes somebody watch it.
If I check camera no.
My name na obere.
Mo ba Facebook na da ho no. Odin so share no good.
Odin to onum coffee.
Yes. To see pictures in ba.
Pictures in ba.
That's beautiful.
Very hot.
Beautiful.
And we are now as a son. You can turn it. Say na eba. And so we are a joa or she we are a joa de so na sign black.
Yes.
And the piano is new. And so be a pay be no person man in dofwa. I am one frame it was 0244 340 484. And you know upebia. Any pillows you can do so many things, Mr. and Mrs. Obia with me akocha obia. But anything can be done for you. Zimbi for you. Say bano do dear. Nobody takes it away from me. But what do you say? E bi no so afane say do vaze dia ye die nkwa. Should it be that?
Edie ba mo anya boni. The reason why I make us say a day you show love. Sabre obi ni girl omo pie na omo pie ti ba bi omo ti beach omo age omo drinks bi ti enwum e bon komo definitely from them mo coffee ti mo coffee a eda medi mo
mama obi say
mani nwe
no udi o girlfriend and our wife on Vars day unku nipa I mean odo na akuma sex no normal be the free sex o odi oba pie mo kwotena beach at the moment odi oba be kwotena beach crampo na mo enjoy breeze no na mo age drinks bi na mo nom na mo bon komo na mo di odon komo no automatically no kra no sex kra ba eba mutim because intina enya ba bia na ye de oba ko ye oba bi o ha odi oba ko a do wo say ase ene de ese mo frompa ese mo fru ko pupo do do ba kwotena beach na mo enjoy breeze na ma drink bi na ma de boboso na bia ni ti da kukuso na wo bonko ma akuma from there efie na monko asore efie
media me argument ne say some ya wafo a mini problem but empratche no what in first say after month of love yakodi e ho awie no now we okay what's the day now how many months am who
what are we you say abade
now we say I better catch them day and see ade ba queen am yeah that is why you can go out there munyi money but say when one sister ka una tumo Romeo adiwe wa ho e bia won deny obabia on this issue da me say e bia say wunyi bai and they say e ban ho uncompleted garage on the bonnet sometimes at the corner of the office another day appear in the corridor kitchen ho corridor na sink ni so na sisi na ye wo so na sisi na ye wo so na sisi na to pen na wabunko tojwe me pacho e ma mami hu yes sir me suku yi e be bomi ye de me tu kwan yo me pacho o say yo na oba no waji all the pain all the insult na going to be the education be na abono no you say tomorrow some years to come you will be there for her and that beautiful son or daughter, but it's always denials.
As you say,
Baba, eba. What you say? Abana kuku abeka cho say, dano me mention so mayo. Baba, and my auntie. Begin baba. Now what's the day? Sister ko you. Oh, I didn't have jai. Obin sono. Obe pacho. So de mate. Bebe mo bi auntie. Uma me bisa kwa me mumidi me sraw so ne sem papa ya sofo me papa ya honorable me mama ya lawyer me we ya judge we ya say oh na or the chopper sa na mano 99.9 they've passed through this they making na wajia tum na wako antenatal no akola ditu no ewo na senkola bi na mo ha ye nto mo din so manyi o ye de dia ye wo mo na ye de to wo ye de frɛ wo mo but what you say enti no several day wo ho na it clicks the actions moves kotie no sorry etwe ni mo afọ ye yiri okunu to tell the darling adia imagine say kukwa worry na we are giving example na Romeo na wahai na Romeo na di pillow yi ebre no a Romeo won na di pillow na dey way ebre kukua don't you think you can make love out of this because she'll be so much happy.
It's true.
But don't worry and she no mo kra na okay so I say it's okay I am there. But what you say and you know service dey ba me dey bi my imagine say die no ye kan obi fifie Friday o chorus tabio I mean interpreter pastor be interpreter be o fifie Thursday no
Bible school student
said me graduate breaking your 6 months see it wasn't an easy task but yes Remo Romeo be sure say Ube Pierre Cranoa, you don't care about your shoe, you don't care about your because you have worked for it, it is there. So you are enjoying life. Jamie County say, look at Kukua, where the washer. What I mean, what you say, why you make a crying, say, Obi, if baby crown and Hano. Because what I say, but one room, who goes to Kunya, what's your being chain, what one, a singing room, and obese Bepeche. It's been per se we should celebrate the vows day without, like intimacy. If you are married, you are good to go.
But akuma min twa wa no kra wa hu.
Manenko.
Honestly, say ushia oba.
Yes.
Na mun edie mbamu a. Sometimes emane efeso. As a bia no mun nyina my anxious for one day bibi. You all imagine say that day how will it be? But most start say didi mo ho na. Na
respect to what you.
Yes. It's always good to say mu date here. Nka die mbamu po. It is all about best for the first time crowd will feel na one yen hwe no. Sometimes efe but the thing is nonsense so no bebre can because almost say sexual weakness aba any problem the brain no okowaru wie no okona sade no en na bo hot se men sabe ya now yen day any uncle for which any on dear and also I can't answer be break try her son.
May I say, Kukwa, do you believe in God?
I believe in God.
Do you know He's not a deceiving God?
Yes.
Romeo, do you believe in? You know He's not a deceiving God.
No, not at all.
And imagine, say Kukwa is a virgin. You are also a virgin. Wouldn't Him say, God made you to sleep and took your rib to mold a beautiful woman like Kukwa, to mold a beautiful woman like me, Akmo Mazembe. And any other person watching, every woman molded us, obian in the shape, obian in the sing. You know why? Many may see a different everything. Mama soon, many, everything is different. Now we are young, beautiful woman, young, handsome man. Now our imre ebeson, why you prepared? When him said you see your back rap. Now uko kutojano erade. Mami oba oyi mi fimpanie. Will God deceive you?
God won't deceive you.
Obema oba ni bibia eye pepepe. Oba ma obema ni koti na hufe enye say no. But it's because we have been deceiving our own self. Yeah, dada ya home. These days, meaning so a lot of master of ceremonies. Miss Maya, now saying 10 years ago, it didn't happen. Uber come my ceremony be our mabas here. One mabas here, who are you deceiving? What could you alter any maka say? Your baby and a miscarriage, the pregnancy, and maybe you. Now, who are you deceiving? But if you believe in your God, in our God, that is the ultimate. He wants to bless you. Nyame peso shower. Oni obi any question bia. Oni obi any discussion bia. E bin ma ye na ye. Me nua ba ma. Won so twa ye be ye. Enye wo muti ne ekrobi ato ne kote ensan etwa ensan. Ena kote abodam na etwa mu ede. Say ekrobi din o.
Nyansa.
Etwa nyansa.
Twanyim nyansa.
Etwa nyansa. Enti we no on be say e wo ho in stages. But anytime bia obani be ma be click kakra no na kote sorry no discipline na etwa mu afọ na ono say dia bakware say oba na kasa be so onsa na odofa ho see I'm wet. See I'm wet. Now oba na o ti wa na ono ayere to say na odi nya na okote o na kote sorry on fanko sheko pot mu on fanko sheko pot mu minu anu ma ODO AHOMASO and abenya this empowerment and abenya encouragement when you can say yes indeed the most handsome men are not yet born. The same thing applies to the most beautiful women who also are not yet born. And see, by a so and listen to givers or did anything be
givers for the givers P capsules about.
That's right.
The givers school capsules. Now the attorney say, oh yeah, Bema. Now untumi sure banye say enye du to o spam no na ho aka. The attorney say e Bema no oba da say bi Bema fa oba Bema no oba have sex e won paso. Bema hunsuo na esane kogu oba na se no. Sa hunsuo no ye fa ni semen. Na semen no mu no e na sperm no wo. Akanfo fa no enkwamwa. Na sa enkwamwa no e na tunkosua wo ba no se bi na se. Na sa nkosua na oba no take seed no. Ba sa enkwamwa na gene no ma ye mre a. Bebacho una obada yin sentumi ma.
That's right.
Obeka so obada ebunyini ya kan yam cement na de yan kan yam cement o. Na mum no eye wo na problem refill hoba. Ebiem oba na bema wanya STI and I say STDs, sexually transmitted disease awodo no. So your oba na bema no wanya bia. In fact the normal body grow. Your oba one ema unya miscarriage wo nyinse mu emwa na ye from enam saya de mwa no so oba take seed oba fafuru a samwa no so no make sure say nyinse ne be say ebiem no se be ma no da na ni sima ni begu oba no na se na sperm no sha say omo swimi na omo atunkosua na obo se enam saya de mwa no na omo di sperm no omo se sperm no te ba sa oba no nyinse da. What draw a givers P capsules, givers co capsules, givers P capsules, givers co capsules. Ebium science for me at say. Obama udi oba now home bar first round no. As I said, they were 2 milika kokumasi asaba kra. Ebema ni tedi. Eti ama mema ni bebre kwa decide say no. They say be on medio every week be a one. because I always say obe komrika kumasi asamba na ne se wakoma beti o wo ye be ma na de bia odi oba me pacho enhyeda anya ade a yesoso so sa because a wikino de bia na odi obi kwatimi ko 3 rounds o first round kra take be 30 minutes second round dey imagine first round kra ni o and the second dey be 1 hour now they give us for here can say unum give us speakers ni give us ko na eboaw nti anytime you abekọ ba no ho no oni ne da utumrika ko bol gatanga krampo na biboni bi amba nemom a member na mofa aphrodisiacs monom China nro e de kofa ma wompam ene ma have sex wompam no ene ye ma obi ate asese aduro no kuni papa na nsan Ghana ha enche bia se mo beka ya papa bi one ne girlfriend e call hotel na okohye so na toto enduro ye de fama na chese ade yi na da hoyi papa yi so chese aduro na wonom ye no aduro na kunu Mesro memfa aphrodisiacs say oh nom ene oba akoda e very dangerous e betumi kumu because kuku e basa na e ma wakoma no ebo abnormally wakoma no inse say nke bia bebo ke no because of say onum aphrodisiacs
the blood pumps faster
nti udi agrobawu na saa de no emema bebre wete o hyedam no nko wawu nye saa o wanom aphrodisiacs and again aka chen say oba enti wanom aduro na otwen say again beba na say posi no say ehiem but again a friend say odo I'm sorry bibia be bom mantimi amba afo si ye mawu sometime no odo ko te ko hyen enti eno na say wo sense ho sa na nyame ambo abema ni gina so sa behwe team no wu nti secret pa na make kan sa no emema be bra hyedem owu because of one aphrodisiacs menom aphrodisiacs nom give us p capsules give us co capsules na emwa me ma me kasa no ngwa de me di wie no eye give us eba mesha Dr. Solomon Kwabi, the producer, the CEO of Givers Industries, your products diaba Givers Pini Givers Kuno, or the Givers about Mesha Bana Akuma Givers about Meshano, Mebacho, we ye de upiase. So unum Givers Heba Mesha, now unya Corona, COVID-19 yadenibia, Fatwana Brana Bejusika, Afe o hospital bills and so Oba Yebetua, a challenger. Give us see anka obi bia wutie tie ni ye passe obi a onum give us eba mesha ye dro na fani give us eba mesha no se wonum bi na onya COVID-19 na Dr. Solomon Kwabi say obefa o hospital bills ni naka ni na obi a onum give us eba mesha no e sense a strengthen immune system ni no coronavirus ma warin tumi nya ohwe tie ni bema bia na se oba bia onum give us eba mesha no se onum give us eba mesha no nya coronavirus ewo widiem ana unya COVID-19 yade a Dr. Solomon Kwabi say
plus no
yes or say for hospital bills no bra na ontua ni nyina ma because there's no way say obi onum give us eba mesha benya COVID-19
okay but I no just say you not observe. You go to observe the protocols. Obesho no smacks, or private hand sanitizer, and you got to do it.
Follow all the protocols.
That's right.
Oh, follow now. Give us meshano.
That's right.
It's a basana. What we. Enti eneya utie mi. Me den komono bawie. Obi biara. Obi utie bia. Whether we yari o unyari o. Kope give us eba meshani besifie. One wo busu afo nyina momfa nyensuo. Mudidi wi amonom. Monnom anopa wi anwumre saa me se coronavirus no virus no shia okro bedwane because system ho de ba bia to ado bia wo Ghana so no is available
okay
simple
right in fact yentra ha emi yanka say e just kukua and mama no birthday gift e just Romeo and mama birthday birthday gift and I say yeah beautiful pregnant woman and you no pay but me a few of these pillows my and no dear meaning outside and a picture
okay.
But we should and him say and a cheer a photo and a moho with a beautiful cap and you know when we activate the 4 lines no ya better said ya be channel afa na bibia and I find so from naturally could you raise your hamper for me
sure too
okay
this one all right.
Yeah obia ebinum so benya we be touch and your candle scented candle
I
love it
say I always me you was scented candle ma Romeo o light bedroom you light a candle no e wo mu a twetwe I try to cut ba. Me say I twetwe.
Akuma onim say o your ba na ko be ma dem no so candle so o tu chairman o na say ne bi.
Ne pie. Oh your guy. Oh yeah, guy.
I don't quite my banner melted.
Yeah.
And my banner crown home back.
Feel it.
Oh my God.
Well, on scented way no. And to wait also. And madam when you na the dead.
Ko be madam no so can and I so episode you.
Obedu.
Yeah, dear sign.
And away a hand sanitizer. Fragrance is so nice. What if I can good in some? Go. Hey, so nice. Romeo J.
Oh my God.
Wow. And see, Sahampa way so no. Me check from naturally. Medium na me se be ma. Who pay be wait me at. I mean, there's so more we be na. Once a share butter be ya de oil. Womu just say emma eno na misra o. Me wona me nkoto na misra. Me so nkoto na misra. Share butter na misra.
When you say sanitizer no, same place I roll you am the farmers are
hand cream
too much.
Aye. Ajunsa. Enti we no me pese Romeo. Romeo. As I made a missing, I made a chameo. It's many classmates, many co-equal. I am the number one love and sex doctor. Yeah.
Udim sesi ana me catch madam for UK. If I na kwesi bo rise B. Message no cry. Me see we are see a funny o. Those days ana mo teach man on. Na me see show no. At the perfect. So kai at the perfect.
At the perfect na mo fa. Na mo fa Odo Ahomaso.
And nem na mti ha no.
Una tia.
We are so we no. Video.
It is when you abato me. Romeo when you abato me. Won say nya me do me.
Serious.
Nti manya me dwuma kra na me aboa. Now, what is lovely about the show tonight? When him say, me Anthony Nikno, okay, one more back Nikukwa, no more Spain. When him saw more hey, I want the message at all. Wow. Also, Kukwa means your father is watching you live from Spain. Happy Valentine to you and your mom, and greetings to Mama Zimbi. Is it not lovely? No, watch it. Say it's here. I don't need. Oh, sorry. Oh, ni papa was Spain. Yeah. And I was share. Ni papa was Spain. Well, it is sometimes I am person we are saying who say me the obi ebetna Odo Ahomaso no. I can just pick a color. Say me share say contribution me say come to the show. Yeah. Me Odo Ahomaso me share certificate o. Me show educational background o. Yes say be obi o ha why all the masters but no we Jimmy. Okasa nyansen nim. But what you say? Why? Did I know that daddy be watching us now? But she Spain, then time. You know more time difference, no? You know more time difference, no? 1 hour high, but or hey. You about 10 and you about 11. You about 12 and you about 1 hour. One more share.
African, my message say I'm checking my mic, no?
Okay. Oh, sir.
Kijua.
Oh, but no, because you turn your head.
Oh, okay.
But because it's working.
All right.
And I go straight. Why? And me pamu show. The carrying na what say what problem? Na mo person unyin sign up person protect and the muti from it was 0558 134375. Ebe he onti choto pa na ye ntoye. And it is like I said, you know, you better wait 4 lines, no, and check. Now, how there's going to be celebrate, but it didn't the new film. I see a book of us.
I mean, we believe the vows they need in good.
Okay.
Show love. There were different ways about to make show love. Removing sex out of it.
Okay. And can man is here.
Ghana man is here. Yes, ban. Says ye fear. Even while Bessiano Crampono says you probably are busy all the time. And if I did the end if market urbano, after salon, I wash with you to my home kaka. Esprit won't be a knows that. As he said, knows won't come on. And so can be fair crampon and yes, your grandpa. He says something different on you. You look nice, you look sweet, and I'm sexy.
Won't say. And then I'm say kuku abeshewe. What's why so sexy? She onye niti classic bia. Ya bom mesa keke. Ene gu ne ho. The only difference if she's naked and she's married. It's in our bono a romance. Kuku agina ho. Ne da chi me cho ade. Se kuku awa dan wachi. Won baby ani nwi na akodo no. Enti we na say ni ku ne wa. And also oba no why say na oda ho a. No I need to say na or they grow ho. O kwati be so you say yeah. A better kill.
When they and
count me ba and count my man. Me ba cha say, "Ni ti ase da ho." Oh, body na ami.
Oh, another was too sexy. My chairman and
why they?
Like my feeling the
like you're loving like a sister, you're proud of her.
As a sister, yes.
That's right. Sister love.
Romeo and Juliet.
Okay, and then we see as waiting for like saying Tama. Yeah, tea for ni ashafo na. I didn't hear you know. Sister, me go bibi ababoka. Me go bibi abo ha he ebedu Easter or fan World Cup. Ebedu Sanla or fan World Cup. Ebedu Hogbechocho or fan World Cup. Ebedu Kwewo no fan World Cup. Ebedu Kloyom Sikblem no fan World Cup. But look, at the best the bechi bia it's a happy day for you.
Yes, it's a new day.
It's a new day for you. It's premature. Mommy, you think the much up to now, Romeo. When you say maybe aqua boutique, aqua gentadia, lebo nubum. Oh, my God, won't say, we give me Sekukwa to you. Nibody, Yakoya eyelashes say. Now Yakoya yansa. Now Yakoya makeup. When you say makeup, it is 3 days.
My 3D makeup. 3D.
Aye. Hey, bra. Because and I say put the bien minimum. And the me I am no and me too many. Sister Mediobika. Bra Mediobika. My whole face is so. I am not a beautiful African queen. Romeo.
Your age, you are
I want to age. Only me age.
That's how you babe this about.
May 25th November na last year no date ni ba out no they no mo chalo to for that one there nyame ehra me nyame ehra me ma strategy mo ebe kakra no figure no atoso hey enti me from me say woman say girl
abroni akra
me from me say woman say girl flexibility them oh hey oh kwa akafo biri abi bibi obawo
baudi ya kan sa so akuma obu on so ne dofo ni dimbom vase de muni dimbom
me da say
mu ya aduane na oba no o sevo a be ma na ba na mu nyina matena ho na mo di o ha na watika crash be ma na no mo rekende odo no because mu shia begin na mo didi bom ke ba ne se na se dia se weti ha didi na weti ha didi akodwa yi ukunu frejuma ba
now those days say near didi me tell also na what ya shema no ne warriors ani me nyina fi we
ebi na wo kan o se wo didi mu hu wie sa na fa be normal
no is so common now one from no we share obi and to get now the be oja ho no ne chat no girl no hu ni se ho girl no fa ni se ho nche ni dawo
tina odi na tension ama
o fa ni chinche ni dawo
yes
na one ni te wo sa na we ja no akọwa no afa wo so be kese wan
Kese obi
kiss yourself
ohua
de bia me kase emra na me ya babawa me bank krom ha emma almost see me peno they are still my friends because I was so nice with them. No me be mamu didi me a akene krom they almost akuma those are from Joyce the audio Joyce ding and then some who shim me his car I go to them one more mommy. But what I say, baby, be or so about penon for home and obey what done for no or the respect to be a mouth.
Oh, yeah.
Say someone in a moment, I'm 1 or 2. chale na mano so musuane ye rade wo mus rade o se akoma bekumi me ye no fafa akoma ja enye se onimo but na adwen enko so wo munimo but o ma adwen enko ho enti o share o man chemistry na ba man ba wow changing of positions say adie da ha na enemayi akoto ha
difference na no
say empanisi ha na mama adan empano as a position no say we really see ha na we mu niam nyina na o de akwhye baby na you are creating space na wo ye na ade we omo ami gumo omo awafo bebre ami gumo almost me say na edida ho ebi say jan eye adwuma ka say eye adwuma it is working
Akuma, I think say aside radio no utumi ye seminar bi ma single ladies na ye bia onya auditorium bi na omnyina ba aside the we radio na enye bad
am here but that big too much sir am here sorry inviting me any idea but say they been mo ye na I was going to do that on my 20 years anniversary and I COVID-19 no na me what you say we need to enhance our bodies tie me mpasa me enhance me nimu a anka me nto pencil me ni achi eya na bi mo ntia se what am I say me mpasa me enhance me lepa anka me into lipstick anka kuku a on lip gloss emma na no no empie entina anka mbeye sensual enhancement of the body a man in memenina Jesus but this year it will happen
very important
it will happen media obi oni me hu say me premi hu I take my time and you see it must be done well tie me nyame adon ye betina radio so a the whole world tie obi aye ne ho so ono oye counselor oye advisor oye say o ma create office ukwa ube fele for obe ji usika but near me catch on radio and television so no on kind on show and to because so many times now I that sika but what I say and to be me encouraging for say just make time 2 hours listen to radio watch television you would empower yourself now obi so contribution in some of no ebeboa and Romeo
of course
all right so at this point my main friend me at 24 lines no na yema obibia enfre na mfa na hwemra de wasua wo de akai said you sifa celebrate anniversary na fa ana ono de edwa efo ansa ni nsuoto enti abenda da ebi oba be kan hikeke omiehu kwan ya wonfa so na bibia entoye meko Facebook so ba a lot of messages are coming we'll read all for you enti frey 0302 216 561 0302 216 562 Mesra ya no radio volume no aba form na bibia aye kama why my radio okay no na bibia aba so na aye kama e de amame na aye fefe why odo okay na ehi fa na wotie. Which station are you listening to? What program are you listening to? Come on. Boom. Channel power bet me the gospel ashem bet me the any romantic enyumo atumu na wona wo do wona wo ma matimi ediasa right away enti me be ma Romeo ne kuku ediasa sesia see you outstanding yeni asa mo so ni asa kakra ma me asa ma start afa course no keep on.
Hey baby, Sara, baby. It does it work on a corner can be picture me. And from a river, baby. The American, you know me, person, me, chirese. One another, baby. Oh, nice. Yeah. I know, me who know me, I'm a shimmy. Way, a baby. Miracle, good rock, Busani. Money, man, say, your friend, Nanama. Famiko, Namigo, where you feel. Me, me be some mammy, say, you're gonna send me go home, mammy, I make us baby, or I would on now be Fizz, or be dance. One another, papa, send me, oh, so many one year. I'm passing, oh, be my hobby trade. Oh, be some mammy said, hey, baba, baby, send me, oh, so many one year. I'm passing, oh, be my hobby trade. Oh, be some mammy said, hey, baba, baby, I did chin, I ran in my dream. Mrs. Yanni, I got me dream out. He's about 1 for 40, say, yeah, don't cut the Jessica grab your bad time. Sire, only penny mumuna thing. Yana, no, Casa, and Modu. I'm passing a cassette, manchinya, Sana, a jane, betchuity. Jay, me who want come to me who are good. Mizinka, Matumi who are good. Our remedy, Jeremy, she a beam. Addition, me, Macarara said. Yafa, who are fair power, let's who are baby, I'm a Beshiano. I want Fanny Subani, I want Fanaka. We see us and no one has a wolf ready. Who is any errand winning? Every rest you bet you to a good away. I will be the crotch and I know what you fear. Or be dance out. One another, baby. Sammy, oh, somebody, one year. I'm passing. Oh, be my hobby trade. Oh, be some mommy said, hey, baba, baby.
Hey, Mama Zimbi. Witumba minyoma akuma wa soul. Oye mremremrem.
Okay, thank you, wonderful people. I just love you. My manaya fair. So this is another way I'm waiting me. Eddie, I celebrating a Val's Day, no? Just do a dance with your darling. Na bibia enya kama. Na enya fe. And you know, just letting everybody get them ready. Get your phones and call up 0302 216 561 216 562. Mema kwaba diba ODO AHOMASO.
Hello.
Hello, mema kwaba diba ODO AHOMASO.
Oh, ODO. Biliava. And you know they are coming from the February Miami meeting, Papa. Hello.
That's what I tell Kasawai.
Yo, it's really Madame. Na, Madame. I can say, the Oya Waketna Ewasro.
Amen.
If we say, I will come to Baby, Christ did say, wow. Is a fine to do no, rather fun. And now it being over 20 years. When you be sick, down. I mean, can't be with a car every Chinasam. Nearby, although it is occasional. I was young. Then do ya if you say what don't young Yankopon is a world. But any occasional it little kind of thing. Say Valentine you then you and non crop na be make it. But although dear Yama or and snap down. Adom afi Yankopon is na people ọbẹ pẹgì sáàtì déwé ọbẹ ọdí déwé bẹ kọ nkan ìdùmáyẹfọ producers obi biara ọdí ìdùmá wọ àdúgbò nyankopɔn nsiramu ìdáàsì.
Yes, me da say Johnny, me da say pass Yankopon so wetimi achichi wo re. This young man Johnny our Lorry ehun ababa wa na onyim ahonim de oye no ho e no hwe no wo no fa ne ba okoware ne ade girl no wo wie this man say I don't know you. You're not the type of man I want. But wachichi ne re. Me ma akwa abadi bodo ahomaso.
Odom so.
Me da say pa so din me bi afefe. About your first say, Romeo Junior, Niana. I said Romeo Senior. Okay, it's your Romeo.
Mommy, I can't miss a mechanic say, if you are seeing a young papa, I'll be Ubia, don't say this. Now, who so the young papa on your mouth? So be aware of who are Tinika Amani. They can testify in the Bria, the Gua, the Mono, the you come for nothing to come other people, but I mean, by the way, when you it mean the mechanic say, you showed it in your own crime. Was one a winning you are creature with fever. That's what I say.
If I show me to a pa.
Young couple and I share you. Doing now, and couple wouldn't do see it now because what they are one for some kind of we come in for because of who programming. I'm a more that we into a dassy and couple shall not go shower, not go share. You may I know bring for more. I can't almost self a brew against the vessel. The missing steady cheer.
So me da say papa na man can say obedi over say na afo okay obedi say
me want you but mo give back to me no this is the am
yo me da say papa okay me ma kwa about the bodo ahomaso
akuma odon so
dada jabe
come on, more to say.
I'm young, don't let you.
I do. I'm a working, sir. A woman say a genie. Now, so me and Mary see a bride woman. Some woman and Pibonia, he Yadena, others high a come no more film. So me, Obia, Manavi, and Trino. And I feel so no. Sabita fracture, yes, I'll do who can't buy a chest I would don't. And Penfosi, the Frugy enemy, a common deal, no, the DVR, not a Diana no combio. It is one who no baby now who do would not say one who now go canopy. I feel not Odono Ateko. Because many do I said a man who from Mountain. In the moment I will ban or be jaw who their man or one who become at the crow free on the saka. Na Odono Atiko. Enti Mushum who see say a war for dear and yes, na say we young girl, young boy, now my will through one we pay a dear in ye a beto. Enti ye genia ye meani now. Kuma Manosi.
Da, Ochina Thursday, nobody is saying.
Ochina as it is no. It will be a normal day for me, but I will show kindness and love to anybody who comes my way.
Hallelujah.
And that includes everybody.
Yo.
We must live for others, not for ourselves alone. We must not be self-centered, but live for others. Kuma Manuasi.
Dada, me da se papa, and to one so parcel ebeba. Why?
Yo, Mate, Yamin Show.
Tell more. Me da se papa. All right. Prince says, I love the song. That's about Jamana. I love this song, papa. O'Day Green says, also this week, this guy me the dance pow. Hey, Odo Green say Nyamiche. Also, 1 minute dance about Romeo. Said I will come from now. Then I will come from. Also, 1 minute dance any pa. Tia Christabel Mensa was a shine Ghana. The sweet tough. Or they say good it, or say Rade. Only Ghana. Me ma kwa body board ahomaso.
Okay, no, don't so.
But I say, would you maybe have free?
Please, I'm calling from University of Ghana.
Wow, which hall are you?
Commonwealth Hall.
Commonwealth Hall. I salute all of you. And then send my greetings to V-Mate.
Sharp.
Okay, we are listening, sweetie.
Okay, today I just made a trip to the house. There is one or two things I want to share on ODO AHOMASO concerning issue between I and my wife. She just gave birth not quite long, about some 3 months ago.
Bidan, please speak up. We can't hear what you're saying properly.
Okay, respectfully, she just gave birth 3 months ago, not quite long. I'm a law student. I'm the University of Ghana Law School. She stayed with her mom and she came back to my place at Pokwasi, but she doesn't allow me to touch her these days. So when I'm...
Can you hold it if I've heard you sound and clear? You are saying, sir, you are in relationship with a lady in the school?
No, I'm married before I get to the school.
You married because, or she's your wife?
She's my wife.
Okay. And you are all at the university?
Yeah. No. She's not at the school.
Okay, but aside your wife, you have a girlfriend in the school?
No, I don't have a girlfriend.
Okay, go ahead now.
So anytime I need of, intimacy, she doesn't want me to touch her. So when I put that in, say my love have entered my baby, so he doesn't have any intimacy for me. So that was the problem I'm having.
So is she with you?
Yeah, she's here.
Okay, let's give her the opportunity for her to explain herself. Sweetheart.
Perfect.
Please, Odo you.
Mama Zimbi wants to talk.
Me pacho, mama don't kasa Odo. Beautiful woman. Oh! Beautiful woman, you didn't give me this chance. Please, my brother, call again. Please, call again. I'm begging you. Give me this chance to talk to you, sweetheart. Please, don't be angry. Why? Don't be angry. I'm begging you. Why? So, they are going to call back again. Mema kwa body board ahomaso.
Adom.
That's what maybe have free.
Yes, Mama Zenu, Mama
Zenu, Efrefia Shaman Zenu. Everyone say, Charlie. Be keeping me when I actually to ate. Mama Zenu.
Papa.
Hey, come on, me.
Mommy.
Hey, you ma kwa body board ahomaso.
Adom so. And the wakasa pa. Sa ukasa no me tia se ukuno ni skafwa. Kakra o di be ma woni. Ampa enete ebi kunube friduma ba no odo edi ni sen ene ni sika ono akasa de mi for salon oye mi ti ma me na otina for 9 so otina me aso aye ye nko free obi ade ye ne kukoti se na be ye go kakra o ma ono na o so ma din sa ene wanya na obenya e futu ami so me sa
enti Mama Zenu ene wokunu ene ko saluma ko ye wuti kama
oh mama me dada nika ye ko no on stand no on so would marketer they should be all the see rejected to 1.555.
That's right.
So 15 cedi omo bomba me kama
90 Mama Zenu me ka say ene week bra ODO AHOMASO ababa
mi wa Mama Zenu
Mama Zenu untimi ma on the line akati. So sorry, the line akati. Kami mani GTP. Kami cheni GTP. Mani line akati. I am here. I'm lucky. Me ma akwa body board ahomaso. Hello, sweetheart.
Hello.
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 Good evening.
Good evening, me ma kwa ba di bodo ahomaso. Wudi baby afrefri.
Hello.
E pa cho wudi ni baby afrefri.
Yeah. Kwesi mi frefri teshi.
Yo bra kwesi etio.
Hello.
Oh, kwesi kasa. Kwesi di agro. Next person please. Kwesi ye ni agro wa ha kwesi. Okay, me ma kwa ba di bodo ahomaso.
Adom so.
That's say.
The number 1 study doctor.
Don't want the kata.
Jimbi.
Don't want the kata.
And you not family say.
You know they.
That's when you mano. You know mo so studio.
What ka we Emmanuel ho?
With the Paul.
So we o te se kuku o.
I only finish bono on ne kuku me e was so kaka.
I know.
The kuku all down that munyana me she no.
What ka we Felix Bello.
Multimedia de otisu.
Just say.
Abana sapa de multimedia de so number 1.
Nya grow.
Only a doctor fans.
Maybe I said me exercise. Obi can say exercise for me.
What is it?
Hi darling. Na uda baby and we use that baby vaze mudi di say.
Video call.
Video call no.
Video call na e baby e won komo.
And then what shadi eye GTP intuma. Now odi family no dia ma here. Tikacha Emmanuela sa omomodin ana omaji GTP intuma ate.
Na me sure mo mazime that e pa. Da me ka bi de we na youth no vaze na se obia omo your father dey say World Cup. Ase die na oh na dey so kwa dey say vaze ni do na so wa ma o yira na so girlfriend gift it brings to create confusion. Oh, you know, but me vaze na ngazan recently na say after that did say and fight but first now vaze kwani and said that who say BBC or some but these are not people are taking it serious. I say wa ma do for gift bia. Yeah, no so na ko kid bia ka won penny part. But for me no, they do vaze mama gift in Canada. That doesn't mean tell. We have more days ahead. You know, enjoy no see na e die no see enjoy die so.
Me toffee a remedy me menum. E die ni mo ndie abafo no me ente so. But no mo worry and no mo nya die.
What? E ko mo worry ka no gudi mo.
E na me so mo nte so, o mo nyim film.
O mo ye. Ye. Akuma. Amana gift na no nko ja na nko fie. You give and take.
And you got Emmanuel said the GTP new style me why?
Ya ga me ka na on the power no magin.
On me arrange na sankam.
Okay, you.
Me chia obi anso.
I promise. Obi aso be that's it. All the best.
Thank you, darling. In fact,
bye-bye.
Romeo, bye-bye. Romeo, I'm a toffee beer. Sugar him. What did the romance bedo? Kissing. Ed. Romeo.
Yes.
Hello.
Oh, hello, darling. Let's say.
Pacha, good morning.
Nyami Adom boko udi baby afre free.
Pacha, Joe, teaching.
Yo, Joe, it's you.
Akuma. Nyami show. Any mantina girl Facebook pa mokasa ma Philippe pa ma me pese ni pa o program so. Na membo mire abaso.
Bo ira abaso ho e den.
Akuma you say you but ni obodi modi o femi in fact
ada wunya adwuma
pacha me adwuma ba pa na se ebia mi sora na mary me obia mano se modi mimbo mano se modi ba no so mo ti ba
Wo ni wo ho?
Pachuan.
Mama ni nkasa.
On God, you know, now me first me na me. Hello. Akuma.
Hello, madam. Good evening.
Good evening.
Nyame onsha wate.
Amen.
Bukunu abo abaso. Wasi na dwuma aye basa kakra. Ba wonto so ne fam kra. Nyame onsha wate.
Amen.
Oso mo tenfa.
Yo, techi nwa.
Eshi nwa.
Pachuan.
Yo, ye fra osai.
You're from Dina.
Auntie Dinah.
Amen.
Okay, Charlie. So Auntie Dinah, teshinwa. Beji GTP Wednesday we why?
Passion.
Baba Odo AHOMASO enyumre na na ote ha.
Passion.
Okay, na beji why?
Passion. Yes.
Nyami show.
Amen.
Ah. Hello.
Hello, ma.
Yes.
You feel me down?
What you say?
You feel me down, ma?
Yo, na den sa wonya adwuma, wo yare ana?
Yeah, ma. Me adwuma. Ba nye se dia on se. Adwuma ni.
Asika no enye kese enti o support wo.
Pajoy.
Okay. Give us. Penro no be 3 bi ne ye fa kantuma no.
Okay.
Why? See, you better give us in no be so. Now we put so I the year. Why?
Bajo you.
Okay. And Wednesday, who bet me no we rain aba. Na efe. Why?
Bajo you.
Okay. Are you writing it, promise? Okay. All right. Here we have Alice Mami na membo. May that say minutes caller please. Hello.
Hello.
Me ma kwa ba di board AHOMASO.
Mo do so.
Me that so din baby afrefre.
Kwesi di ma se ababi.
Kwesi ben.
Kwesi taxi driver.
Kwesi na wo kasa.
Na me kasa na line eti.
Una na ye no wife kasa no.
Oh, Debbie, me na me free personal line kasi.
O kan say den. Okay, kasa ye me.
Okay, me pacho Odo AHOMASO awe wo ya de pa nyamishra. Na face birthday na yedi. Ese so emani memani nyina yenya odo bi ma ye hu. Na yentimintina se wo odo mu. Enye se wo bedo bi wo se wo do bi a ese se wo kire se wo do nipa. Enye se wo se wo do nipa no na wo didi na tem. Enu enye odo. Won nti yenchiro odo ma ye hu de nyame do na odi do ye. Ye pa do ye hu yentina si. Ena feso ema no to momo nye se ebia be ma du valde na kese emema no kwa no mo
One more spending.
Isu ya de but omo expectifi emema no homo ke bibia. Oh, aha ye Ghana ha de wuni oba fuka or expect you so betia and so outside there and kisa
kwesi worry
ma worry
you know our infant say
our me chewa asia
okay who's your taxi driver
okay
Wednesday you so bra na beji naturally products ni bi na enyumre mo so candle no na mo do aso wate
Wednesday
so unim kokomemle.
Oh, maybe I do my family say me place no.
Okay, enti enyumre why?
Okay, bye.
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 Okay, next caller please. Last caller me fay. Hello?
Yeah, mama, let me say I'm not big boy no. The oba longa say apa wo boy Johnny dia hu.
Ba cho tubo dey come say.
Let's say and oh, David Oda, the name disciple.
I'm a disciple, yes.
Teopa, the whole powers. Now be Suwa, and I said, now see who shape disciple. I am me.
Wow, Johnny.
Pacha.
Why is my Johnny? I'm looking for my Johnny. Johnny, would you have a background?
Give us a Bruno. Nanka, papa.
Okay, mama, I'll give us a drone. Be much Johnny Laura, mammy. Me that say, me for call a baby. Thank you so much. We have just 10 minutes to wrap up everything. And see, Johnny and me Bobo dinner Wednesday. I'm like. All right. My no resource person, Mama, call by the board Amazon. Hello, Romeo and Juliet. Me Mama Kwabo. Okay. In fact, and I Ghana Kasa.
Oh yeah.
We are see Akasa. Yes. The Emmy Yapan and man now Frey and War. Also mo Pokwase. I saw no fra. So Pokwase Ghana fra. My name Ramu. He's the only one to come. And see, I didn't make a cook one.
Minim woman status. There ibia or problem and the complication.
And I'm person, yeah.
Ibia man on yabutar, ibia on your kasa if she had complications or anything after the pregnancy. And the boy so what will we are?
He's on, hold it. Okay. Nyame do. Come on. Me ma kwa body board Ahomaso sweetheart.
Yeah, modern.
Hey, now so you in why then?
Yeah. The problem I'm telling you is a complicated issue. So my wife doesn't want to touch a research holiday because of the issue from the hospital.
Okay, we heard you earlier. For phone you know, she shouldn't mention her name. Just give the phone to her, please.
All right.
Sweetheart, you not mention your name. Just go ahead. Can't be a person can be a Carmen say.
Okay. Perfect.
Hello, Madam P. Hello, sweetheart P. Hello, my sister. My sister, Mother Cuckoo. Hello. Oh, hello, auntie. Maybe I should your phone, mommy. Why? Oh, Jimma make a came about show.
Hello, ma.
May that say God bless you. My sister, I say. That's a pa. So dear woman, yammy. Now what you phone so why? Me pacho, I did some Nessie. Ukus of a son of that. Also, see Debbie. What is it? Pacho, me tea, what I say to you.
Pacho, no, yes, no, and I never you know, and no kind of slow. Sometimes I never so just an answer. I am no much of the non Tiasi. It's not the end
hey, sweetheart, on no die when your pace, one.
That's right.
Okay, pregnancy, how many months?
That's just 4 months.
You know, 4 months.
That's right.
Pacho, where your first pregnancy on?
Pacho, where your second one?
Where your second one?
That's right.
First pregnancy, now who experience the same thing, Anna?
That's right.
Oh, okay. And think I idea was said what to me who and now on him say who was our stage where happen, Anna. Pacho, on him say.
But my first one, my second one was not.
Pacho Mantio.
My first one,
oh, first pregnancy, no one in China. Oh, okay. Okay, but say so. So obet me man I brushing no or the cut befa bet you clayton or chaba no sir on rem will you want him to do that for you?
Okay, actually.
All right. And me pacho we on buying send for what's your first saying Wednesday brand bagin tuma why
mbacho ma would do
what would that
mbacho ma
oh wow 4 months near away
yes no more.
Oh, okay. Oh, auntie, what for 4 months in it?
That's right.
Oh, okay. Unya boy and a girl.
That's your boy.
Auntie, now come so do no. Hey, Germany said, wow. I'm so happy you are smiling now. But that means and you mess and won't me ma. Paso ukumbet me aba. Hello. Say, wo 4 months into won't me ma. And to je wo kunu no beje ma won. Okay, and unti no mami no kun ka say.
Hello, mom.
One said that we are determined why I want to call now back.
Macha.
Right, and see Wednesday, no, and you're right. What's it day?
Because on him say, V-base, a training,
I trained the upper power. I have any patience. It's all right. Patience from Pokwase. No, what's your GTP? What's it? Perfect. Okay. If any perfect. Okay. And to perfect into all means me for call a BIB. Can you give me the list? Now I mean one more winning prizes now. Oh, it's been wonderful. It's been awesome. Romeo, what's happening? Romeo. It is working. I know. I understand. Mama tia say adwuma sa I know adwuma sa na tie hello me ba cho hwani
mala nkasasi aguna tedu
okay where me line ti ma pon ti
na maya na me senka
now from how dey anya adwuma your friend line so why ba yan fa call bia now one for Niamana show. What you did no? How do I know I'm giving this one, this one, that? Huh? I said some GTP, I said some this one. Maybe Abubo. Papa and Abraham. Okay, Mama Zeno Ashiaman. Make us say my name. GTP. You should have written it. Go. Pancho. Maybe Abubo. Okay, so GTP. Mama Zeno, Baba Joe GTP. Felix Bell GTP. Joe Tashi Nungwa Mesime Mano Give us okay and a taxi driver crazy Mesime Mano hamper naturally product and Johnny Laura on also so give us and Pokwa say
give us and GTP
wanna Pokwa say
give us and GTP.
Did I say that? Make a GTP.
Okay.
Manka.
Yeah.
Pokwase for no.
Yeah.
Make a day. Then I make a. Make a tomorrow. Okay, into Wednesday. Teach and also GTP. Hey, my wo GTP 1 2 3 4. SMS 1 2 3. Okay. No problem. And sunya me and see taxi driver me see Monday. And naturally hampano. Okay. And see Mama Zaino wa Shiaman. Okay, GTP, Felix Bell GTP, Joe taxi driver give us, Kwesi, Joe Wateshinungwa give us, Kwesi taxi driver naturally products, and Johnny Laura give us, and perfect Pokwase GTP. Mona mawini a year, Niama for birthday. But yeah, so we are in the month, and we'll see how. But my mom, okay, next week. My mom be away. Oh, pillows, no. Yeah, the pillows, the cap, no. And you back on next week. Next week, you better chance. Don't worry, you get your pillows and caps. Okay, all right. And time, so let's run up sharp. Yes, go ahead.
It's the month of love, and you show love to your partner, especially your wife. It can be anything, a gift, even a decoration in the room is not bad. A gift, a hamper, the cup.
Wait for the magic cup. Magic cup.
Magic cup.
That's right.
It's a perfect gift for your loved one. If there's no money to, you can do something simple. Say something simple to them, and we go. Thank you.
Okay. Romeo.
Yes.
Let's go.
Mr. Kakra Mekani said, "Yen show odo." Even after birthday, the love should continue.
Yes.
watimi wa kamino e wo bia efie bia mu enjoy and
yes bia enjoy
yes ti mesre mo so ana mo de mo do asem e ba bontin especially social media so ne sanu ma no e be sese enjoy na we do ba bi no ye be nu ye ho oni ukunu wo ho ana oni wife ho na etoda na wanye sika mo wa se de ekola no de na support be ma no ni nyina na mo do no so no na de be ma ni bi na wo bi kura na wa mo onsa oba bi ti hwe ma ni kunu ko bobo sia kura de bre no abroba na obi
enu de anye o munya na anye mamo e na fe so no me pese me nyina anye very very observant mami ya ni scissors wawo cesarean section e no do we kwakwe e ya botre e wo so won say she is in pains e ti can say abna party mami fan to ano na me fan go up and down she will enjoy it why and to God be the glory na anyum me fa asa no nwie na mo asa na fine pa me fa asa no nwie be bo pa me fa asa no nwie me fa asa no nwie Reverend Prince oba ure ma be so ure ma be di asa me asa ya asa nwie ure ma so fu be di asa let's go anyum le mo okay
Mirinda Oni Ebiani wanire tisono Missy Marie Pepe Sara
African, thank you so much. I love you. I promise I love you. Thank you, your viewers, your listeners, contributors, Facebook, everything. Come on, yeah, domododo.
Mani mano se ya frueno nanama